Hey guys, how are you? This is Christy with ResinandMoreBoxes.com. We can't wait to go ahead and unbox our June box for you. We are a little late in regards to it, but hey, better late than never, right? So we are going to get this unboxing. We really hope that you guys enjoy it. It was a summer themed kind of box, and we really do hope that you guys are able to enjoy the different colors, the different things that came in it. And always let us know if you guys have any kind of feedback, if you guys want to get some more information in regards to our boxes, or if you have any kind of suggestions or advice or anything to that nature. We're always open to hearing some, cool things for us to be able to add on to our boxes each month. So let's get our style started. Now, here is our pamphlet that we give in our boxes each month. As you know, we put in our resin, our glitter supplier, alcohol ink, mica, whatever kind of cool thing that we put in there that we use a small business for, we go ahead and put in there and let you guys know all about it. Also, for anyone who hasn't already purchased their August box, it is our anniversary and we decided to go all out for our anniversary box. So if you haven't gotten a chance to, please go over to the website and take a look and make sure you get that box for you. We do have the deposit available until I believe it's July 1st or July 2nd. So we hope that, oh no. Sorry guys, it was June 26th. I apologize. So we hope that you are able to get an anniversary box. It is a little bit more expensive this month, but trust me, we are putting a lot of stuff in it. Then we also put in on how to do a waves with resin. And give me just 1 second. Let me play around with the light here. All right. So this is some advice on how you can put, yeah, the light just does not like us. So if you guys got it, if not, we will go ahead and put it up on the website later on, and put it onto our Facebook and our Instagram and stuff like that. So also for anyone who is a first-time customer of ours, we always try to make sure that our first-time customers, we don't know if you are a first-time resin user or not, or what's going on with you, but we just want to take we want to make sure that we want to take it into consideration that you are a first-time resin user. And so since we don't really know your story, we always go ahead and put a little pamphlet in there that tells you how to properly mix a 2-part resin. So if you've never played with resin before, you'll actually be able to learn it just by taking a look at this stuff. And then of course our website always has little types of tricks and stuff, or you can go through our Instagram and take a look at previous pictures that we've taken from tips and tricks of our pamphlets with all the information on the back of the card. So let's get you guys started on what was in our box. Of course, we worked with a company called Pixis as the resin company. They are on Amazon. I really fell in love with their resin. Their resin is super clear and it has no smell. And I absolutely fell in love with it. So I decided to give them a chance and go ahead and put them in the box. So they are in our box. You can check them out on Amazon and it's Pixis, or check them out on their website, which is Pixiss.com. All right. And we did work with Love All Bling Glitter. And so you'll see that we got 2 different colors here. We're also aiming for different colors. So we did go ahead and add 2 more colors that we thought would be really cute for the sunflower mold. So you did receive a couple extra in-house glitters as well. As far as our mold goes, we got you guys a little gnome with a little American flag on it. It's a keychain. So it's kind of in theme for our 4th of July, since we really didn't do anything big for the 4th of July box. So that is one. Our other one that we did was the sunflower mold, which I absolutely fell crazy in love with. Let me take it out of this bag. One moment. I absolutely fell in love with this mold. This mold is so beautiful, and I cannot wait to go ahead and play around with it. So I really hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys use that red, that blue and yellow glitter for it. So enjoy. The other thing that we also got was a pineapple coaster, or not a coaster, a tray. Look at this. This is absolutely amazing, and it's thick, and it's a very, very good mold. So hopefully you guys can enjoy it. I would love to see some work with it. I have seen others playing around with it, but no one from our box yet. So we hope you guys enjoy that. Of course, as always, we put in our medicine cups in there for you guys. We also have the little mica spoons or glitter spoons, whichever way would be great for you to be able to, you know, open this up and be able to kind of stick the spoon in there and take it out and just mix it with whatever you need inside of our medicine cups. We also use Bria Reese as the alcohol ink company. I think they were awesome for us to be able to work with. Now, just a heads up that this white is not like the Pinata white, which makes your colors dip. This is actually a white alcohol ink. So if you wanted to make, you know, something white, this would be the color to use. Now, we did get Ocean Green, which is like a greenish color. And we also got a blue. I believe it's like a sky color. I don't remember the color exactly, so don't quote me on it. But I decided to get these three colors, which I thought was a really cool beachy color for you guys to use when you guys are hopefully using the mold, these pineapple mold. And of course, we couldn't do a beach without adding some seashells to it. So we added that, and we made sure to add a sample bag of some sand for you guys. So we really hope you guys enjoy that. Also, we got one of these little pens, which I have not used, but I have been asked for us to put in our boxes. I believe we've done it once before. It helps for you to clean out the resin around the molds and things to that nature. So we really hope you guys enjoy it and you guys are able to use it. And finally, a new silicone stick for you guys to be able to enjoy. It's a little bit bigger than what we've sent out in the past. It is a little different. So we do hope that you guys enjoy it. All right. You guys have a wonderful week, and we really hope you guys enjoyed our box. This is it for our June box. You guys have a great day. Take it easy. Bye-bye.